How to use Target gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use Target gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use your Target gift card online, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up your browser, then go to target.com, then just add the products that you want to buy to your cart and then tap the cart icon. Review the product once more and then just go to the checkout page by tapping in continue to checkout. On the checkout page, after you enter your shipping address and so on, you'll be asked to enter your payment method. If you look above and then below the shipping address, you'll find an option that says gift card and it says pay with a Target gift card. So all you have to do here is to simply make sure to tap the add option, make sure to enter your card number as well as the access number, and then just tap the add gift card option. Now in case you're using an American Express, Discover, Visa or MasterCard gift card, you have to add them in the payment method section, which is in this case which could be credit or debit card. But if you're using a Target gift card only, then you have to enter in gift card. But if you're using other type of gift cards such as Amex gift card, MasterCard, Visa card, then you have to enter in the payment settings. So that is the difference you have to understand. And to give you an idea, this way you should be able to use your Target gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.